Good afternoon, Warriors, and welcome back. Today is Wednesday, January 23rd, 2019, and hopefully you've been missing these homework videos that have not been around for the last few days of school, as I have been out sick with the flu, but I'm on the mend now. Hopefully everything is good. I'm back, and you'll get your daily videos. In math, we've got no homework unless you are finishing you have to do your units retake on Friday. Hopefully you've been preparing for that. In science, there's no homework. Social studies, there is no homework unless you did not bring in your 10 blank index cards for class that you will use starting tomorrow. In language arts, the long walk home paragraph summary is submit that via Google Classroom. Remember, you're taking the corrected sentences, putting them in the correct order, and then adding transitions, and that will have your typed paragraph. Remember, instead of retyping everything we discussed in class, how to cut and paste. This was a good tool to use for a situation like this. And in literature, your Freedom Walkers essay, that is due on Friday. Remember, if for some reason we do not have school tomorrow, Thursday the 24th, this assignment is still going to be due on Friday. So no excuses. No ifs, ands, or buts. You know about it well ahead of time. One other note that I do want to make note of, that this started here last week, is starting the third quarter, and that is last Monday, the 14th of January. Sixth graders will no longer have the opportunity to complete work for a late grade. If the assignment is not complete when due, students will receive a 0 on that assignment. Note that if a student is absent, they still will have a day for each day they were absent to make up the work for full credit. As you're now halfway through your sixth grade year, we're inching closer to the seventh grade year than we are to fifth grade, which is elementary. Seventh grade is a big step up. We talk about how it is a lot more difficult than the sixth grade, and with that comes some added responsibilities, and one of that is turning your stuff in on time. Also, CNL students, please complete the Find the Hazards worksheet with at least 20 hazards, numbered and explained, all found over 20, worth half a point of bonus. I'm not sure if that is from this week or last week as I was out, but if you are in CNL, you should know that is the case. That is it for today. Make it a good one.